everybody, let's take a look at some Hot Wheels Sizzlers. Hot Wheels Sizzlers, you know, back when they brought out the Hot Wheels Sizzlers in 1970, it pretty much killed the whole rolling Hot Wheels idea. Because why would you want a car, play with a car that you just rolled around on the carpet or on a track, when you could charge up these Hot Wheels Sizzlers and race them around the big black oval? Yep, it really took a lot of shine off the original Hot Wheels. Look how beautiful these are. Now, my Sizzler collection, I put together in the mid-90s. As you can see, that one has not been completed yet. I had all the chrome redone or bought them with the chrome already redone. There were several guys who were doing that sort of thing back then. And of course, they came out quite beautiful. And I really love them. They're the most colorful part of collecting Hot Wheels, for sure. There's so many different models. Look at these things. Aren't they gorgeous? I have a hard time holding the camera here, but just enjoy the color and the models. That one doesn't have a chassis on it. What I did is I tried to put a clean chassis on every model that I had. Let's see. Am I getting in the right place here? Yeah. It's going to be real nice. I'm not going to tell you the model names or anything. I'm just want to show you how beautiful Hot Wheels Sizzlers can be. Now, if you know somebody who can do rechroming of plastic parts, please leave that information below. I'm sure a lot of people would like to know. And I wouldn't mind putting a few more of these together. Originally, I wanted one of every color. It's not really that necessary anymore because I have so many of them. And I've got probably 100 more Sizzlers for sale. So if you're looking for Sizzlers, I got a bunch of them. Most of them aren't listed because I just don't get around to the Sizzlers that much. All right, look at that. Oh, that one's pretty. I think I've got this going pretty well now. A couple of more rows here. Yeah, these are nice. All right. Wow. I like that brown one. Needs to be put together. I think that pops up when you try to punch it down. Wow. So pretty. Oh my gosh. I just love Sizzlers. They just are so pretty. I mean, look at that display. Are you kidding me? Regular Hot Wheels can't hold a candle to these beautiful Sizzlers. That's why I have them on display, and I don't really have any red lines on display other than a few blister packs. Mostly. Because these things are just so beautiful. And the colors and the chrome. Let's see, what are some of my favorites? I really like this gray one, even though that's kind of boring. That one's neat. And of course, pink ones are great, especially with chrome. How about like that? Oh, yeah. That's nice. Yellow? Wow, that one really pops. Oh, look at this one over here. This one's a plain yellow. Oh, man. You know, a few times I considered selling my Sizzlers, but the more I look at them, no way. They're just too cool. I got to go back to working on the Hot Wheels Sizzler collection. I got to fill this thing up. I was even thinking about taking him out of here today, but you know what? Forget about it. Forget about it. They're just too cool. How about this pink one over here? Oh, yeah. And the gold. Let's look at this gold over here. Wow. Wow. Well, there's another one. Slightly different shade. Yeah. Wow. I definitely got to get some more of these done. These are great. Wow. Oh my goodness. Yep, every time I look at them, I love them again. Oh, got to put some tires on that one. Wow. All right, that is so cool. What else is, look on top of the display case, I have trains. That's crazy. I don't even know. I don't know that much about trains. I just know that there's a train store close by, and when I have time and I want to get away from Hot Wheels, I just go over there and buy something. I don't even know what I'm buying, really. Oh, I also like these tiny cars. That's a Viking model. Now that one's fairly newer. I bought that when I was in Germany, and bought that little Volkswagen, that trailer. I've got a big collection of old ones. Look at this Camaro. It doesn't have a windshield. I bought it in a blister pack. It had been at a flea market in a display case with glass on a hot day and had melted the windshield. Pretty cool. Look at this clock. I had this, I bought this from a guy on eBay. I think that guy's passed away. He did a lot of cool things like, now I did that. Check that out. That's a comic book advertisement on the back. It's been cleaned up and put in that. What I did is I put it in Photoshop and I matched the color and made a little, what would you call that, a mat, sort of a simulated mat around it. Looks really nice, doesn't it? Now that guy who passed away, he also made these buttons. Isn't that cool? Those are so neat. I just love those. I love those. You know what else I love? I love the Red Baron. I do love the Red Baron. $3.44 for the Red Baron sealed model kit. Pretty cool. I love the Red Baron. Here's the giant Red Baron. Isn't that cool? That's that giant Red Baron. That is the neatest thing. And here's another Red Baron. I love the Red Baron. That is so cool. The Tom Daniel Red Baron. So funny. I got this all messed up right now. Oh. Hey, Red Baron. There he is. Red Baron. Oh, hey. Corgi Batmobile. What do you know? What do you know? I was looking over here. I thought that was a Red Baron hiding over here at the Matchbox garage. But it doesn't seem to be another Red Baron. Oh, Monkey Mobile. That's what's over here. Yeah, Monkey Mobile. Isn't that cool? Out of focus, but very cool. Why won't it focus, for crying out loud? This is what a Viking comes. I always say that Viking because it's got a W. Viking. It's from Germany. So they come in the newer packs. These are about, what was it? We were in Germany like 5-6 years ago. Anyway, I got a big collection of old ones, but I bought a few while I was at the toy shop in Germany. Isn't that cool? Tab trailer. Well, I'm just trying to fill up some space right now. Get this video up to 10 minutes right there. Look at that. All Occasion Gift Center, 1969. Cup. Where does something like that come from? I don't know. What else you got over there, Dave? Oh, carry cases. I love these damn carry cases. Yeah, I do. Look at that. The 48 car flat case. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I love that thing. Fantastic. So fantastic. Even the wheel case. Love the wheel case. Everybody does. All right, very cool. Hey, here's something I put together recently. I got this display case at the last convention in California. 2 of these things. I remember when I first saw them, I thought, wow, that is so cool. And I was like, how much are those? Are they like $150 or $200? No, he said, I think he said $35. It was crazy. I think they were just like a test run or something. Maybe I'll see some more at the next convention, but I decided I would put some of my favorite muscle cars in there. I really like the 5-spokers. So, they look good in there. Those look so good. Yeah, one of my favorite is that GMC. Love that. So many beautiful Hot Wheels. You know, the funny thing about Hot Wheels, of course, is that when you go to the store, you don't see this stuff because they dribble them out like one, for every case of Hot Wheels, there's like maybe one good car. The rest of them are all just kiddie cars. And some of them come in like Walmart sets, and some of them are Redline clubs and whatnot. Yeah, just trying to put my favorite ones in here. There's some nice ones for sure. Some, and I like that new wheel they do. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Hard to say which ones. I'm going to have to take a few of these out, put something else in. Let's see, what's boring? Some are not as exciting as others. I think that White Nova is kind of boring. And most of them are pretty good. What else is kind of... I got to pick out one more that's kind of boring. It's got to come out. I don't know, that white, the white ones just don't go that well, that white Z28 Camaro. Do like the Charger, though. That's one of my favorite cars of all time right there. That is a beautiful, beautiful Charger. And that Chevelle, every model that they ever make, they definitely have some that are really nice and some that kind of blow. Anyway, I like to collect these things. They're hard to find, though. Like I say, I get access to them when I go to the Hot Wheels conventions, because who's got time to run around and look for them? Guys take all the good ones anyway. Well, that's all there is for this video. Thanks for joining me for taking a look at Sizzlers and a few other Hot Wheels items. And I hope you enjoy my videos. Please be sure to check them all out. I've got over 550 videos for your watching pleasure, and I appreciate you checking it out and giving me a thumbs up and leaving your comments below. Thanks a lot now. Bye-bye.